Sorry. What did you say to me? What did you say to me? I said,
apologise, apologise.
La 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 la. Oh, stop. I have to get your reactions.
What? Oh, I have those.
So, basically, sorry, my glasses are falling down. Today we're going to Winter Wonderland for the effect. Yeah, so that's great. Ooh, can I have one, Paulina? Yep, thank you. Yummy.
Yeah. No.
What's the one in there?
Wait, which one is it?
Two.
Doors closing. Doors opening. Lift going up. Doors closing.
Jessie, high five. Yes.
Ew. Ew. Ew.
Oh yeah.
It kills. It kills.
Call us when you get to
Action. How do you feel? How do you feel? How do you feel?
I've got snot in my nose.
Oh wow.
Great. Oh yes. That is a nice picture. Yes, leave that please.
Oh, it's raining.
Oh wow, you're all over the place, love.
Where's my little hands?
I have one.
Do you still have one? Is the other one?
Her hair blown in the wind looked like she belongs in a Garnier advert.
Yeah, that's Maybelline.
Oh wait. Wait, I have hands without reason. Oh,
I have hands without reason, did you say? I have a hand with no reason.
Hi everyone, so today we will do a vlog with my little tiny hands. Here's my tiny friend with my tiny hands.
They're the same size. Gotta hit them, folks, but the Paulina version. Yeah.
No, no.
With a little leg. Yeah. Oh.
Woo. Don't turn it like that.
I know.
Fucking cameraman. Why is the camera so low? What are you doing, man? What are you doing?
Because I'm sitting down and I can't bother to lift me up.
Oh, I can see my... Oh.
Yeah, now I can't.
I look.
No, we're ugly. Do you want to... What is it? What's the slogan?
I don't know.
We're ugly.
You could be
You
too.
can be too, that's it.
Okay, we need to get the bus.
You can be too if
get the bus.
you follow my channel. Hi, subscribe, subscribe.
Came through dripping. If you drop it, it's gone.
It's gonna drop. This is what we are. We are elegant on this channel. And we have to move. We're on the move.
We have to move. Not a choice. It's forced.
That's not bad. It works.
It works, wow. Fascinating. That was so zoomed in.
I'm finally making a vlog, guys. Imagine
Oh my
that.
gosh.
Vlog, huh?
You've been off your channel for a
I
while.
know. I have just been really busy on my projects. Staying at home.
I have coursework to do.
Yeah, same. No, I don't.
I'm ignoring my responsibilities.
We all do.
Daniel. You good, man?
I'm good, man.
You good, man? Ooh, ooh. I can't really see you, I'm not gonna lie.
my Gene at least. It fucking hurts my knee.
Gene.
Did you just take a picture without my permission? Excuse me. Oh no.
You look cute with that.
Oh, thank God. This is gonna be the shittest vlog I've ever made. I mean, the best.
I love it already.
I mean, it's amazing.
Please, allow me to show you something.
Somebody give me, somebody tell me the
Everything is like.
Pastry rolls.
Bitch on the
Bitch was
front.
rude.
Bitch was a who?
Bitch was a roach. Bitch was a roach.
Yes,
Bitch,
thank you.
oh. Do you like my
Wake up the
pastry?
genie.
Do you know my pastry?
I
Hi,
want
welcome to
the...
Chili's.
Yeah.
Aww.
God.
Boudica.
Average beater.
I like how you're like average pizza. I'm like boudica. I want lunch and dinner.
You got the last word.
Dinner.
I have lovely dinner. I got shot after dinner.
Avocado.
What?
Avocado.
Says all that avocado.
Really want dinner.
I'm tired. I want to go home and have dinner. I haven't. I haven't.
She's just going.
Where am I from?
Russia. Russian dinner.
Russian.
You have Russian in you. I have Russian in me.
Dick.
Oh,
I have Russian dick for dinner.
you ruined it.
Wow.
Okay, done.
But I'm gonna have to top that line.
I love my Russians.
I love bad bitches.
I love my raisins.
I love my drinks.
I love fat pastries. Fat pastries.
Oh, press the button. Didn't work.
I have a...
My name is Chelsea.
That
What's your
is-
favourite dinner food?
Oh my god.
My one.
Go fuck yourself. Great.
Yeah, man. Oh.
You hit my papa.
Oh, we can't die. Okay, you can walk. You need to. So, imagine want to Wonderland
Just imagine it.
with my lovely two friends, with my cameraman, and
Camera woman.
no writing because one, we don't have money. Second, we don't have money, so. I love the light.
Wait, one more time with the flash. Oh wow, the police fucking van.
Just doing it.
You probably won't see me because it's very dark, but also walking backwards, so I can't see what's happening. But
Not a good idea.
this is a very cool monument at winter because it's Winter Wonderland. So
Hello. You can't see me. But hi, my name's Enya. I don't have a YouTube channel, but I do have a Snapchat and an Instagram.
Kuketi moja ei se moi temola Aman temola Siitä mola skoi se moi temola Aman temola
oh, that was you. I thought that was a weird
That
video.
was me.
Hello. Hiya.
Kuketi moja ei se moi temola Aman temola Siitä mola skoi se moi temola Aman temola
It looks like a marshmallow. It looks like a massive marshmallow.
Your
I
guess
want
is,
it.
what is that?
I said
Marshmallow.
Told you.
What's
Shoot,
it?
oh.
Marshmallow.
I didn't know.
temola Aman temola
Are you taking a video?
I'm gonna slime video.
Oh, ASMR, yeah?
Wait!
So extra.
Take one, take some. Take one back.
It's so blurry. Fuck, it doesn't want to focus.
Digging the dancing queen.
Where's my little friend?
Baby moja, siamo te mola, ama te mola, ama te mola. Ti te mola shkoj, siamo te mola, ama te mola, ama te mola.
What is going on there?
Good luck, Candy Floss.
Anybody else waiting?
If it goes bad, we'll delete the footage.
Is anybody else waiting? Oh, this is harder than I expected.
Go on, 1, 2, 3.
I think it's pretty hard.
So close.
Let's get.
On the wheel. Okay. Right. And green. Oh, that was yellow. And green. And blue.
Take me back to Georgia, back to Atlanta. Funny how present turns past. I might fly Priscilla out just for banner. So mesmerized by that ass.